Good afternoon. Last lecture we have seen the mathematical calculation of geometric mean and we see the numerical example of geometric mean. In this example, we study the uses of geometric mean and merits and demerits of geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is an important and widely used average. That is, arithmetic mean we are used for the find the average, whereas geometric mean is not much in use. That is, arithmetic use are used for finding the average, but geometric mean is not finding the use of average. However, in certain situations, geometric mean is more appropriate. The following are situations where geometric mean is preferred. That is, average change in percentage. The first use of geometric mean is average change in percentage. Second, average of bank rate interest rate, and average of the population growth, average rate of the return on share. In general, geometric mean is appropriate if the value are ratio or percentage. Similarly, if the value of approximately in geometric progression, then also geometric mean is proper average to find rate of growth. And due to some mathematical properties of geometric mean it is the probability used in the construction of index number. That is, geometric mean is also used the construction of index number. Next, we see the merits of geometric merits and demerits of geometric mean. Merits and demerits of geometric mean. First, merits, that is, it is based on all observation. That is, we have seen the anti-log of 1 by n and anti-log of 1 by n summation of xi. That is, we give the anti-log of all variable. That is, the geometric mean is based on all observation. It is rigidly defined. And third, it is capable for mathematical treatment such as combined geometric mean up to 6. And fourth, it is not unduly affected for extreme observation. Then demerits of geometric mean. The serious drawback of geometric mean it is the zero if any observation is zero. That is, any observation value of observation is zero. That is, geometric mean is zero. It is not simple to understand and calculate. That is, geometric mean is not easy to understand and easy to calculate. It may be emergency of some observation are negative. There is calculate only for the data counting positive value. That is, in the negative value of the observation in the geometric mean are not calculated there. Therefore, it is calculated only the data containing positive value, and it not applicable to quantitative data, and it is not determined graphically, and it cannot be computed if frequency distribution include open and end class. And it may not be actual observation in the data. That is, it not be an actual observation in the data. That is, we see the uses and merits and demerits of geometric mean. Next we see the properties and theorem of the geometric mean. If x1, x2 up to xn and y1, y2 up to yn are the two sets of observation, then if x1, x2 and up to xn and y1, y2 up to yn are two sets of observation, then geometric mean x divided y equal to geometric mean of x divide geometric mean of y. Then proof. That is, we have to do if x1, x2 up to xn and y1, y2 up to yn are two sets of observation, then geometric mean of x divided y equal to geometric mean of x divide geometric mean of y. Then proof. That is, geometric mean of x y equal to, that is geometric mean is the product of the observation nth root of the product of nth root of observation, that is x1 divided y1 into x2 divided y2 into up to xn divided yn raised to the power 1 by n, that is nth root of nth root product of the observation, that is geometric mean. That is, we have calculated geometric mean of x divided y, that is x1 divided y1 into x2 divided y2 up to xn divided yn raised to 1 by n. Then that is x1 into x2 into xn divided y1 into y2 into yn raised to 1 by n. And it is 1 by n and is equal to geometric mean of x and is geometric mean of y. We have proved the property of two sets of observation, that is geometric mean of x divided y equal to geometric mean of x divided geometric mean of y. We have proved the property of two sets of observation of geometric mean.